Hi folks, Dr. Bob McCauley. I wanted to talk to you today about Dissolve BioActive Silicate. I have not talked enough about this product. It is absolutely amazing. I have never seen anything like it. I'm so confident about this product. I flew all the way to Hong Kong to sell it to the dairy farm company. There's a huge corporation. They own all the 7-Elevens and mini marts and all these places throughout Asia and Australia and everything. But I'm very confident in this product, and I essentially have an exclusive rights on this thing. I developed it with the inventor of the product itself. It basically is silicon. It's silicon that's really been taken to a whole new level. Silicon is, of course, it's good for your joints and your skin and your nails, your hair, human growth. Your sleep regulation, your nervous system, all this depends on silicon. But bioactive silicate is kind of what it sounds like. It's an active form of it, meaning it's a silicon form or a crystalline form. So in other words, if you took a little bit of this and put it on a glass, like this, it would grow crystals on it. So it's bioactive. Well, what this does better than anything else, you take a little bit of this, take one shot, put it into some purified water, if at all possible, and that way it won't interfere with your, with the minerals in the water or anything like that. It just is going to have a clear shot. You take it down. What it does is it strips biofilm out of the body. Now, what is biofilm? Biofilm is that stuff, that feeling you get on any kind of surface that has water on it. It's been sitting there. It's slime. It's slime is what it is. It's all over everything. Well, that gets, when you live on a junk food diet and a crappy diet, you build up all this biofilm throughout your body, and this is an environment of disease. So what this is doing is getting in there and creating this surface so the biofilm, the bacteria can't literally exist on it or stay on it anymore. It makes it almost too slippery for it to exist. So to stay on the surface, so it gets off. Now, and it gets taken out of the body this way. Now, the other thing it does is it clears out the arteries from nanobacteria. Well, nanobacteria, little bitty tiny bacteria, is 100 times smaller than regular bacteria. And they didn't even know this stuff existed 20 years ago. And a lot of people to this day say, well, nanobacteria doesn't even exist. It's a theory. It's not a theory. It's been well researched. And what it does is nanobacteria excretes calcium and covers itself up inside the arteries. And so it starts collecting inside the arteries, and then the immune system comes by and it sees calcium sitting there. So it doesn't see the threat of a bacteria, so it doesn't attack it. So all the stuff you thought for all these years was plaque inside your arteries, well, some of it was plaque, and a lot of it was nanobacteria. Nanobacteria that have built up over many, many years. And again, you get this from not living on a diet of raw fruits and vegetables. You get it from living on a diet of junk foods and cooked foods and all sorts of other garbage that don't belong in your body to begin with. So that clogs up your arteries. It clogs up, again, with nanobacteria. This takes many, many years to build up. We didn't even know what this was, but what it does, again, it creates this kind of a surface so that the nanobacteria can't no longer stick to the surface of the artery. Now, it also, silicon, known for building bone. Well, this builds bone like much, much better than regular silicon. And it only builds the lattice of the bone, but it builds the bone itself. So it really has these two different types of operation. It isn't just providing silicon to the body so it can build the bone. It'll actually help build the lattice of the bone and the bone itself. As people have been reported a lot of things back from us on various diseases that people have really had some tremendous results by using dissolved bioactive silicate, which is, again, a crystalline form of silicon. Nothing else like it on the market, and just a few drops like that, and it really just strips out all those biofilm and really helps you build the interior structure of your body so well. So dissolve bioactive silicate. Get yourself some. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and of course, I've been taking it every single day. Dr. Bob, you guys stay healthy. We'll see you next time. If you like my work and my philosophy, you might like some of my books, The Miraculous Properties of Ionized Water, The 7 Components to Great Health, Silver, the Miracle Mineral, The End of Infectious Disease, In God's path to disease-free living, what the Scriptures tell us about health.